What's up, you guys? Matt here with Texas Edge Home Inspections, and today I'm looking at a property that's about 5 or 6 years old, and the roof is in about prime time shape to need a little bit of maintenance done. It's a little bit windy out here today, and I don't want to get that in the audio, so I'm just going to take you up there and do some voiceover a little bit later, so come check it out.
First thing I want to point out is this piece of counter flashing that is lacking sealant. That's a perfect place for water to get behind that counter flashing and start causing damage to the property. The next thing are these rusted nail heads. So these are originally caulked over, but the caulking has worn out. The nails have started to rust. Here's one that's even out of place. Once these completely rust out, they're going to create a hole where water can now get in the structure. The next thing is the seals around these plumbing vent stacks. You can see that there isn't any sealant and the rubber has started to kind of come loose a little bit. This is going on just about all of them. These could be resealed to keep water from getting in. Now here we have one that is actually caved in a little bit. It's buckled. This is a perfect place for water to collect and wear out the rubber even faster. And then we have a piece of duct tape. I don't know what's going on with that.
Now, you've probably heard me say this before, but roof maintenance is the key to roof longevity and leak prevention. So as you can see, this roof, 5 or 6 years old, all of these little areas right here are areas that could be future water leaks. Doesn't appear to be leaking right now. We're going to do a little further investigating, but with a little bit of money, this can all be sealed up and we can prevent any future water damage and water intrusion into this structure. Okay, guys, Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections. I'm gonna go finish inspecting this property. Give me a call so I can inspect your next house. Bye now.
Hey you guys, thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and share, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, head on over to YouTube and hit subscribe.